Yo, what's up, fam, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on the channel, what's up, fam? Welcome to the channel. And if you are into tips and tricks on how to make beats inside of BeatMaker 3 on your iPad, this might be the channel for you. Today, we're going to get into a little bit more creative vibe. I think I might want to make a lo-fi beat today. So what we're going to do is jump into this iPad and open up BeatMaker 3 and see what type of vibes we can jump into. See if y'all rock with me on this one. All right. So I already have a drum kit loaded up that I actually did some tweaking to. I actually made the kit this morning, and I called it my hip I called it my hip hop bap drums for some odd reason. I don't know. And I have a couple different effects on it. So let's lay down that track first. What I want to do is we're gonna go take the BPM down to about 1, 2, 3, 4, about 88. Yeah, sounds about right. Let me see how that turned out. I like it. I think I want it to swing a little bit. I'm gonna set the loop. I think I want that to swing a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is go into the metronome settings and set the swing ratio to about, I'm gonna say about 17%. Let's hear how that sounds. Uh-huh. Yeah. All right, so I like that beat. I think I'm going to, let's go ahead and duplicate that and then set the loop. And then next, what I want to do is I want to grab a plugin that I like to use. This is an app that I like to use. It's by Audiokit. This is Audiokit's D1, and they have some amazing sounds in here. Okay, let's try that. So what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna record this to a to an audio track. So I'm gonna create a couple new audio tracks, and then what I'm gonna do is press and hold there, audio input, internal, record to that track, load the track up, and then unarm that track. Alright, that should be good for a good 4 bars. And then what I want to do is kind of throw a small little EQ on it. Now after I do that, I want to add another effect. Let's put some modulation delay on it, and then turn it to vibrato. Set the depth at about 82% feedback. I like that. So let's go back into Audiokit, and then I'm going to unarm that. Since we know we're going to do another Audiokit sample, let's go ahead and hit another track. All right. So then what I want to do is go back into Audiokit, choose another sound. Yeah, I was feeling that. Yeah, man. Let's get some bass on this track. We're gonna go through Bassalicious. No. You gonna record? Oh. I can never get the bass right. Let's go. Oh, that should be it right there. Yep. You're gonna get a little bit more funky with it on the second go round. Alright, so I'm gonna add that, right? But key is to getting those vibratos and that pitch bending, you gotta turn off the quantize. Alright, so one more thing before I go. You can't have a lo-fi beat without some neo soul keys on the joint. And I'm gonna put on this neo soul keys, I'm going to put a reverser delay. Both sides. Ugh, that's gonna be crazy. Let's try that. Alright, so I don't know if that was lo-fi or not, but I'm satisfied with it. I like it. It's more like lo-fi neo soul, but yeah, I'm feeling it. Let me know if you're feeling it down in the comments today. Yeah, And if you have any questions or any feedback on anything you've seen here today, just hit me in the comments and we'll chop it up. Let's have this conversation. In the meantime, I'm gonna just go ahead and get back into vibing out. This has been your boy, Brandon Rico. Remember, if I can create like this, then you can create like this. So, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything that I post in the future. See y'all next video. Peace.